How to remove age restriction on YouTube app. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to remove the age restriction on the YouTube app. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you're having some issues with viewing some videos that have been age restricted and you're not able to actually view those videos, I'm going to show you two ways of being able to get past this and actually view those videos. So open up the YouTube app on your mobile device, then tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner. Next, tap on Settings, then tap on General, then scroll down and you'll see the second to last option is Restricted Mode, so ensure that this one is toggled off. So once this is toggled off or on, this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. So ensure that you've got this one toggled off, and if that doesn't help, head back over to the main page of YouTube app, then tap on your profile icon again. Then just under your profile name, tap on Manage your Google account. And then here, tap on Personal Info. And you'll see down there's an option where it's your birthday, so tap on that one. And here you can actually update your birthday and make yourself older than 18 or however old you need to be in the country you are to view restricted videos. So change your birthday, tap on Save, and you should then be able to watch age restricted videos on the YouTube app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.